Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. It's about 3 to 4 months na hindi tayo nag-upload ng video. So today, meron tayong prepare na recipe. This is a pork pie. So yung mga interesadong manood at gustong subukan yung recipe, makikita po natin yung recipe sa video. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! Our recipe for the crunchy meat pie. We have the flour, salt, we have the sugar, water and vinegar, then butter and vegetable shortening. Then for the filling, I prepared here pork. So it's up to you if you want to make beef or chicken or tuna. You can choose your filling. But here I'm going to make a pork. Okay, so let's start the mixing. The mixing is simple. You just first add the flour. Then the salt and sugar. Then the butter and margarine. The butter and vegetable shortening, I mean. Then first, we have to mix the paste ingredients and the powder ingredients. So this procedure is usually applied for pie crust or short dough. So for the bakers, do not forget to always clean your hands before handling the ingredients. That is already an SOP. Okay, so blend it continuously until all the butter and vegetable shortening is combined to the powder ingredients. For this recipe, we're not going to bake it. We're going to use frying. Okay, we will cook it by frying. So as you can see, it become lumpy. All the shortening and the vegetable shortening and the butter is combined to the flour. Okay, so now we can add the water. On the water, I already add the vinegar. Vinegar or lemon may add the tenderness of the dough. So now we can put the dough on the table for proper kneading. So as you can see, it's like a cookie dough. So after kneading, we have to rest the dough for about 20 to 30 minutes to make it soften before shaping into pie crust. That's sound effects. Resting period is done. Now let's proceed to sheet the dough. So here I use a dusting flour on the table. Because if you use oil, it won't stick. So it's better to just use powder or flour. Let's divide the dough into two portions. We need to use a bigger rolling pin. I don't have a round molder for this, so I use a saucer or cup. Set aside the cut dough. We can still use that later on. Okay, so now we'll apply egg yolk on the other side only. The purpose is to make it stick after adding the filling. So let's apply the filling. The recipe will be added into the video, so just continue watching. Okay, so now let's fold. So let's proceed. If you have a dough sheeter, it's better to sheet this on the dough sheeter. It's more easy. So without it, we're going to use this manual procedure, rolling pin. So when you're baking at home, you use a improvised equipment. If you have some leftovers, you can use it in the future application. Just wrap it in the plastic and put it in the freezer. So every time you want to make something, pizza crust or pie crust, you can still use it. So the same procedure, we'll use egg. Okay, so now we'll brush the top. So here I have breadcrumbs. So we'll dip the top on the breadcrumbs. Okay. So here's the finished dough. So later on we're going to fry it. Okay, so first I have to clean the table. Okay, so let's proceed now to frying. So the degrees temperature of the oil is about 240. So you can less that now to 220. There you go. So let's wait the other side to be golden brown. So of course this recipe can be baked also. So if you're going to bake this, you have to bake this at 180 to 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's turn it again. So the bottom part is becoming golden brown. Enough for the second batch. Okay, this is the last turn to the last batch. Let's shut off the stove. Here's the pipe. The Here's the finished product for our pork crunchy pie. There you go. So for the recipe, continue watching the video. We will put the recipe on the video, okay? If you have any comment, just write your comment on the bottom so that we will answer that later. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please write your comment below kung meron kayong gustong itanong or i-concern or concern sa ginawa natin today. So, thank you so much again for watching and see you for the next video. Bye-bye!